Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have, this is nice radical equation, a times of square root of a equals to 27, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So first we need to remove the square root sign from here, from left hand side. For this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as a times of square root of a whole square equals to 27 and its whole square. And now further in the next step we apply this square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes a square into square root of a and its whole square equals to, this is 27 square, and we know about that 27, we write 27 into the form of prime factors. So the prime factors of 27 are 3 cubed and its whole square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we obtain a square, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here a is equals to, here we use the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so we interchange both of these two exponents and we write it as a to the power of n to the power of m. So according to this rule of exponents, we interchange both of these two exponents, and it will be written as 3 square and its whole cubed. And further in the next step, in the left hand side you see here a square multiplied by a becomes a cubed, and here this is 3 square. 3 square becomes here 9 and its whole cubed. And in the next step we move 9 cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes a cubed minus 9 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we apply the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. According to this cubic formula, we write the above cubic equation as in this form. So we write this equation as a minus 9 times of a square plus a times of 9 plus 9 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 9 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 9a plus this 9 square becomes 81, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have a is equals to 9. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here this is the quadratic equation. We know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to 9, and capital C equals to 81. And we state the quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our nice quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c, and it will be written as, this is minus 9 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 9 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 81, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Further in the next step we have, this is minus 9 plus minus square root of 9 square becomes 81 minus 4 times of 81 divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have, this is minus 9 plus minus. You see that inside the square root sign we have 81 with a common term. After taking common 81 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as in this form. This is minus 9 plus minus. Here we apply square root separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes square root of 81 into this is 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. Further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as minus 9 plus minus. We know that square root of 81 becomes 9 into this is when we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will becomes here iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and a equals to 9 be the only one real root of the given equation. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.